I just got out of the shower and I decided to film a vlog. Like day in my life as a lonely YouTuber. Like Juba, like the other YouTubers have so many friends, have everything. I don't have any of that. Filming like a day in my life video just gives me stress because the thing is, my fear is like that I'll be boring. The thing is, I generally don't do much in a day. Yeah, my day starts at, so bear with me. It is 2:19. My day starts at fucking 2:19. So yeah, and please look at my beautiful hair. Beautiful hair. I'm like holding this towel for my life so that I don't fucking I swear, so that I don't fucking strip right here on camera. I need to get them redone, but like फिर ना मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि अरे अभी मैं कब redone कराऊँ? Keep see the thing is, my friend's hair is also coming. I have to go to Delhi or Chandigarh in like May, and then I have to go to London in June. My visa has not come yet, so like the way my visa has not come yet, but my tickets are booked, my hotels are booked, my everything is paid for. And my sister has made me shift my closet, okay? Because we got this new dresser, and she was like, you remove the closet from my room and just put it in your room. So now I have to get ready in this room, which is not a bad thing but the thing is, I don't sleep in this room. This room is always empty. No one sleeps here. I sleep in the hall with Troy on the couch. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys a few of my clothes because this is the only part that's organized. This is my corsets, what I wear every day. This is my daily wear. This is all from White Fox, and few is from Princess Polly, Outcast. Here are my summer dresses that I rarely wear, and my more party dresses. And then here is a drawer that I don't that I wear that I use every day, but I'm not gonna show you all because it's very cluttered and messy, as you can see. Fucking hell. But this is like my activewear drawer, which has a bra. Please ignore that. But yeah, and this is all the new packages I have gotten that I need to like put them in like the proper drawers. This is the outfit that I'm thinking about wearing. I don't know. The only thing with this top is that it gives me a nip slip. Like because it's like a sports bra, but I don't know for who this sports bra is because like it's very old. It's like from 2017, 2018, the sports bra, but it gives me a nip slip because like as soon as I went down, like the tits come out. That's the thing. So if I wear this, I have to like walk very like straight, precautions se ekdam. I have to walk ekdam aise way mein that I avoid wardrobe malfunctions. Please ignore my room. It is the way it is always. Let's do my makeup. Let's look a little human because I look like clapped as fuck right now. I learned this word from Sahaj, clapped. It's a rude word, okay? Don't use it for people. Are you seeing the fucking under eye bags I have given myself? Here goes a road, glazing milk. People don't understand the importance of road. It is dread. It is an art. You don't get it. I was watching Royals. I was rewatching, not watching, because all I do is rewatch the shows I have already watched. इस बार मैंने क्या बोला कि चलो मैं Gossip Girl TV नीत के मुझे dialogues रटना है. Literally 1 to season 8 I have fucking know all the dialogues. 1 to season 6 I know the dialogues. But I'll tell you, the thing about those shows is they're top tier. No one can touch them. No one can compete with them. They are unbeatable. Pain is you buying a bunch of Kylie lipsticks, stocking it up, thinking that you don't get it here. But today it was just announced on Sephora India that it's fucking coming to India. I'm a religious user of King Kai. I deserve a fucking PR. Sephora, send me people who actually use it. Now after this I'm getting blacklisted because like I'm literally like begging for them, and I'm sure they will get salty and they'll be like, fuck off. I thought, if I buy less makeup, I will fucking start saving more money. But the thing is, the fucking dinners I go to, they are the main reason I'm fucking broke. Because why my money gets over 10 times. Like my bank balance goes down just like my standards. Like it just fucking goes up. My phone is also going down like my standards because of this fucking suction phone case thingy. I didn't buy the Octo Buddy because I was like, I wanted to be a little cheap, and I was like, oh, let's go for the alternate cheaper version of it. Don't do that. Did we do a no liner look today? No, fuck no, that's not happening. Liner is like my baby. A lot of things make up my personality. None of them are like me. They are not coming internally from me. Internally, is that the right term to use here? Anyway, they're all like materialistic things. So if the world was about to end, and if there was an apocalypse, and if Kali Yuga apocalypse, not me fucking going to London and not knowing the fucking language also well. And the irony is that यहाँ पे we study UK English. And I still don't fucking know how to talk in that. I use the American English. I use some other English only. It's Hindi, English, TikTok language, everything. So I was filming a TikTok on this like, I got this one boy and he won't stop calling. And my sister's like, why are you laughing at that one boy? And I'm like, excuse me? And she's like, you have no one. I'm like, yeah, maybe in future. होगा ना हाइपोथेटिकली अभी मेरा एक बॉयफ्रेंड है जिसके लिए मैं इतने सो अमेरिकन सो हाई स्कूल एस्प्रेसो गाती रहती हूँ दिन भर हाइपोथेटिकली देयर इज अ बॉय बट I just haven't found him yet, okay? I have a love of my life, but I just haven't found him yet. Like the worst fucking hair day. I don't know why I chose this day to vlog. Oh god. Should I wear this and just like step out? Because like I'm very unbothered, okay? I don't give a fuck what I wear and like what people like think about me. Like that's one thing about me. And I think that's a good thing about me. Because it's like whenever I wear something that's like stupid, like in others' eyes it will look like a clown, but to me it's like a fucking statement. Anyway, don't worry. I think I may not wear this. Perfume has lasted more than my fucking situationship. From Juicy Couture, it's Viva La Juicy. Y'all know how much I'm fucking obsessed with my Juicy Couture. I think this cap looks better, but I don't like really fuck with this because like while I'm vlogging, because like it blocks my face. This is the uniform I have to work out in because it's just so ridiculously hot, and it's like walking distance, but it's so hot I don't want to get tanned. This is the OOTD. I have to cover myself when I'm tanned. My headphones, AirPods are so cool. It just like I look homeless, but like I look like a cool homeless person. But at times when I dress like this, if a person who has like seen the LA, who basically does like sees TikTok, would be like, yeah, she's cool. She's like effortless, but she's like cool, effortless. Because like I'm like when a normal person sees me who doesn't know what AirPods Max wrong with shit. Why is she wearing that? It is so fun. Why is she wearing a hoodie? Why are her tits out but she's wearing a hoodie? And why she got a cap and headphones and this stupid ass like baggy ass pants? They will get it. Anyway, let's go now. It's so hot. I will quite literally die and kill myself. I got this cold brew yesterday. I hope it's not ruined. I read somewhere that the cold brew gets like fucked up in like 30 to some hours. But I ordered this like last night at 12, so I hope it's like still good. Everyone already has a blast with my tits out, so I decided to cover it because it's literally a 2-minute walk, but it's so hot. And thankfully today, luckily, let's have drinks here. I'm not feeling that hot, like I'm not feeling as if I'm steaming, so that's a good thing. I'm dying. Suddenly I became an introvert and I suddenly lost all my confidence and was not able to vlog. With my claws. The way I poked myself with this is insane. Only good man that I have in my life. And I got my claws. Look at how beautiful they are. It's gold. Everyone was like looking at me as if I'm not so color. But I couldn't vlog in there because like there were like so many people. I don't know why I was getting fucking nervous. Maybe it's the coffee kicking in. I drank my coffee and I spilled half of it. Now I have to go home, walk in this heat. Slay. So that's why I've covered myself again. So stupid. They have these. Shut up. But then kitne badtameez hai. My photo shoot chalu hai and they fucking started playing this siren like manners people. Back home. Anyway, now it's time for me to cook. What I'm gonna do is I have some leftover avocado. Then I have my dear love tofu. And so yeah, my lunch is usually like pretty clean. Yeah, I go in for like a little clean lunch. So I'm gonna like cook my tofu and I'm gonna show you guys the final result. I'm not gonna vlog in here because the kitchen is messy because I'm in there. So obviously it's going to be messy. And yeah, I don't want the judgment to be like, fuck my life. I feel like I don't know the times. Tofu is getting cooked in chili oil. I use the chili oil because it works as a dressing also and it makes my tofu yummy. Dinner, it has avocado here, salad leaves, tofu, a garlic dip, and the spicy curd dressing that I make. This is how I spend my afternoon. Here's my bowl. The thing with me is, it might like taste trash to like normal people. But the thing is, because I cooked it, it tastes like bomb to me. These PR people are such a headache. They're eating my sister's head because like she's my manager. And the thing is, you're not paying me that much. You're paying me good money. But you're not paying me that much. I know my value. Google Drive पे मत भेजो 2-3 photos ऐसे ही भेजो मुझे normal media करके WhatsApp पे. This is my frustrated me talking. This is not the happy me talking. This is literally how I spend my half day. All I do is Snapchat, eat, and YouTube, watch TikToks, hang out with my puppy, take him for a walk. You know, I like how people are like, oh my god, you're a YouTuber. What do you fucking do in a day? What do you do? This is what I do. I have days where I line all my brand deals. एक दिन ही रखती हूँ मैं, हफ्ते में 2 दिन, 2 या 3 दिन जिसमें ब्रांड डील शूट करती हूँ. उसके अलावा मैं ज़्यादा नहीं करती ब्रांड डील. मेरे को जमती ही नहीं है इतना ब्रांड डील. मेरे को पता है वो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स बहुत बकवास होते हैं जो जब भी पोस्ट करते हैं तो ओनली फॉर द ब्रांडेड कंटेंट. Unless and until you're at like the height of like Emma Chamberlain or like Tana Mojo, where like people are just dying for your content, and generally you have been like doing this for years and you're just tired. But like I feel at this point when you're like growing, I don't think you should do that because it just like kills the vibe about you. I don't have half the quarter of subscribers. Most of these influencers who only do branded content. If you're London, okay? So if you are from London, if you know a guy in London, if you know anyone in London who's like willing to like, you know, be with me, just Oh my god, I have story time for you. I have tea for y'all. Wait. इस बंदे के बारे में ये टी है ना, वो बंदा बहुत irritate होगा कि मैं तुम लोग को बता रही हूँ, but like it's my choice, it's my will to tell y'all everything, so I will. Okay, I'm telling y'all. So much you do not like him, right? I know. It's okay. He'll go in some. I have to change my outfit again and look like I look like a farm boy because my Troy has decided that one last walkie before I go. Feeling before walkie time. Do you want to do walkie? I know you want to do walkie. All you want to do is do walkie, sleep, walkie, eat rickshaw, that's all. First we go in the car, then we go in the rickshaw because Troy wants both the rides all the time. To show all the besties how good of a boy you are. Sit. Sit. Very good boy, my monko. Watch my makeup. Yes, I do makeup to my gym because you know what? A lot of celebs come there. You have to look good, okay? I cannot just wake up and go up there and like sweats and no makeup. No makeup, that's not happening, okay? But like, yeah. Now we're gonna go to the gym. I put my hair in ties and I added these track pants. So yeah, let's go. Usually I meet my Anaya, but she made other plans. Betrayal, #betrayal. Finally leaving for gym. It's 8 p.m. And that's when I'm leaving for gym. And I have to go in the rickshaw, which is even more shittier. Okay, I actually made it to the gym. I thought I'll work out in the studio, but there's some Pilates class going on. So I'm gonna do some spin bike. Yeah, please look at my socks. The fuck wears pink socks? Me. My hair are red. Top is pink. Cap is pink. Headphones are blue. Nails are gold. Get my hair done because they look like a mess and the red color is fading off. But I'm not getting my hair color done. अभी मेरे पास 10,000 नहीं है खर्च करने के लिए बाल के कलर में. So abhi I'm just going to get a repeat. What is this stupid lift? I'm the worst vlogger. I forgot to vlog, but here's my Snapchat stories. This is why you should add me on Snapchat because I post everything. To a few guys. And one of them was 13 and one of them was 14 and I fucking felt like I was 50 in front of them. It was so sad. Oh, by the way, first of all, बहुत सारे events हुए. मैं एक बार नीचे आती हूँ और इतने events होके आते हैं, like I am just so fucking iconic. It is fucking insane. So first, I went to Starbucks and I met the cutest with like 2 of you guys. One of her name was Anaya, like Ananya, sorry, not Anaya, but like मुझे जो भी देखो Anaya और Ananya को मैं same pronounce करती हूँ because like वो लिखने में pretty fucking similar है. इसके लिए just shut up, you bitch. Shut up, you bitch. Telepathy. अच्छा चल एक नंबर सोचते हैं और साथ में बोलते हैं 3, 2, 1, 6. चीटर. ना तूने मेरे बात बोला. चाओ. कलर. 3. एक साथ 3, 2, 1. Pink. No. Don't kiss me.
That's what she says too.
That's what she said. नहीं हो सकता इसमें. तो मैं Starbucks में I met these 2 cute girls who were so nervous to meet me. मैं उनके साथ story लेती, but they were getting so nervous to meet me. They clicked pictures and then they ran away from me because they were getting pretty nervous. तो फिर उनसे मैं मिली और फिर उसके बाद Starbucks में मुझे सब ऐसे stare कर रहे थे.
as if मैं कौन सी celebrity हूँ. I'm not even fucking kidding. Everyone was staring at me as if I'm some celebrity. And आज ना मैं वो मेरे glasses पहन के आई थी ना, मेरे freshly hair done थे, and I was full अपने खुद sass में. But मुझे इतना awkward हो रहा था vlog करने में, because I was like अभी मैं बोलूँगी अपने typical accent में, फिर वो मेरा celebrity status गिर जाएगा. तो इसके लिए I was like थोड़ा मैं बोल रही थी कि vlog के लोगों को हाँ लगे कि एक influencer या कुछ है.
But थोड़ी hoity-toity है.
थोड़ी hoity-toity like elitely क्यों मैं Alex Earl मैं of India happened. And then the lemon guy, उसकी मेन बदतमीजी, वो आता है, वो मुझे बोलता है कि पहले तो मैं नेल्स का कॉस्ट, पहले तो मैं पता कर रही थी स्टिक ऑन्स का प्राइस क्या है डॉल के लिए, तो उसको कस्टमर इसके लिए भी बढ़ता, ठीक है हाँ. तो फिर वो आके मुझसे पूछता है कि बट इतने बड़ी नेल्स आपको किचन में काम नहीं होता है. सो आई वाज लाइक एक्सक्यूज मी, दिस इज लिटरली माय रिएक्शन बिकॉज़ आई डोंट टेक शिट फ्रॉम एनीवन. सो आई वाज लाइक एक्सक्यूज मी, व्हाट डू यू मीन किचन में काम नहीं है. तो मैंने उसको बोला कि क्या जस्ट बिकॉज मैं लड़की हूँ मैं किचन में काम करूंगी. लाइक नो आई डिडंट मीन इट इन दैट वे. एंड आई एम लाइक सो. And then he came to me and apologized to me 3 times, and I was like, "ठीक है, I have to forgive because the guy who does my hair in the most perfect way is there." So I was like, "I'll let this one go." मौका देने की जरूरत नहीं होती. Once you're off, you're fucking off. Cut off. That's my rule. डॉल भी बीट चल रही है.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं, मुझे पी दे रहे.
नहीं चल रही है वो, बिकॉज मेरा डॉल के बिना एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं है. मैं डॉल में बोलती हूँ ना कि हम दोनों 2 souls हैं जो साथ आए हैं इस अर्थ में और जो साथ एक दूसरे को चूज किए हैं. लाइक मी एंड ट्रॉय. नो आई डू नीड यू. 2 souls जो मैंने.
My soul is inside you only, so you don't need me.
देखो आइसक्रीम खा रही है 75 day hard queen. Besties, look at how perfect this dress from White Fox is. My tag from White Fox is still on. You always get a proper haul. I'll give you all. These are actually outfits for like my London trip. But the thing is, I'm so excited whenever my new clothes come, and I'm not this person who's like ever scared to repeat outfits. If you think why I'm looking so dull, I'm not wearing mascara or liner. That's why I have to put it on. But look at this dress. But like, look at this fucking dress. White Fox never misses with their clothes. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. I'm so excited. अनाया को लगा मेरी एक ना एकदम ऐसे टाइट लेंस में फोटो है और अनाया को लगा मैंने वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में किसी लाइक बड़ी सोवा है ये. I was like girl that is very soba. Zoom out वाला लेंस यूज करती है ना तो पता चलता. Buddy का we cannot even fucking turn the AC on because it's on fucking reserve. And we need to go rush to the petrol pump, but we were like, no, petrol pump later. Car will work on reserve. Girl math is the car can like go on reserve, but pictures come first because pictures earn us the revenue for petrol. That's girl math. The other day, my ex called me. Okay, this motherfucker. First of all, I have like have him blocked everywhere. At 1 a.m., I'm getting this random call from this unknown number, which God knows what that unknown number was. Okay, but I'm getting this call from this like unknown number, and yeah, and it was just like this fucker didn't even like to like call me to apologize or anything. He called me to like literally ask me to take my video down, and I'm like, excuse me, no one fucking knows you. No one knows it's about you. You have some balls calling me, expecting me to delete my video. Okay, and I was like, just shut up, and I literally cut the phone. I was like, the audacity he has. He doesn't have to say sorry. Nothing. He's asking me to remove the video, and I'm like, literally told him, you should be happy that I didn't use the screenshots or anything because I can go there, but I didn't go with you. So you should be fucking happy. And his shitty excuse for his ridiculous behavior, oh my god, was so bad. I don't want to say it, but it was just so pathetic. But I'm just gonna give you guys a hint, okay? Next time anything goes wrong in my life, I'm gonna take a flight to London. Like next time I'm sick, I'm going to London. मैंने ना स्कूल में 50 बार बहाना दिया है. FYI, if you're watching this, I know you're watching this. That's why I'm saying. Second of all, his best friend, like this guy who I know is like very close to him, texts me middle of nowhere after like a year. Right? Like I know this dude. I'm gonna call this Y. X is my ex, and this Y dude is his like best friend. So this Y dude, I know this Y dude. I just know him. Okay, I knew him like a year ago. I met him like once, but I never like spoke with him, or I was never like friends with him or anything. This Y dude texts me middle of nowhere asking me, is this video about Dash, my ex? And I was like, no, because I was like, you know what, I am not that stupid. Like does he think I'm like that stupid? इसने मुझे गधा समझा हुआ है. I have played this game.
मैंने कहा ये लड़की को इसको क्या लगता है इसने गेम इन्वेंट किया. I fucking invented that game. I know the game that he's trying to play with me and I'm good at it, okay? So like I was like, what the fuck is he trying to do? And okay, he was so stupid thinking because I have learned my lesson, okay? I've been through legal trouble, everything. I am not stupid to get any more anytime. I don't write to anyone on text about anything, okay? I have been through the legal battles, everything. So yeah, I'm done with that. That's the tea. And by the way, I was crying this morning because Sahaj called me, okay? And he told me that someone from his university stole my road phone cases, which is amazing. And everyone was like, oh, you can try to get it back. I'm like, you can't. It's not India. India जैसे वहाँ डिलीवरी बॉय का फोन नंबर नहीं मिलता है, ये सब नहीं मिलता है. इतनी मेहनत, इतना सब है, इतना कौन करेगा? और मैं किसी और से तक एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं कर सकती करने का. Like literally. So yeah, that's been the day. Now I'm gonna go to Starbucks and edit my YouTube video. That is what I do in a day. Make Snapchat, rant, overthink my life, and this is what I do. Eat, walk, toy, click pictures.